Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to enable notifications for activity events on Facebook using your PC. Staying updated with the latest happenings on Facebook has never been simpler. Let's dive right in. First, open facebook.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the Notifications section. Click on it to explore your notification options. Here, you can control what types of notifications you receive and how you receive them. In the Notifications section, scroll down until you see the Events option. Click on it to open the Events notification settings. This is where you can customize which event-related notifications you want to receive. Look for the Activity option and toggle it on. By enabling this, you'll receive notifications about any activity related to events you're interested in or invited to, such as updates, reminders, or changes in event details. Enabling these notifications ensures you stay informed about upcoming events and never miss important updates. Whether it's a birthday party, a concert, or a community gathering, Facebook will keep you in the loop. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Facebook experience and stay connected with friends and events that matter to you. Remember, managing your notifications is key to avoiding clutter and focusing on what's important. So, take control of your Facebook notifications today and stay updated on all the activity events happening around you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your social media presence.